iPhone got stuck in recovery mode? Here's how to fix it with Reboot. Let's get started. To start, open Reboot and connect your iPhone. Then tap Exit Recovery Mode. Well done! It's quick! This works in most cases of recovery mode loop. If the issue persists, fret not. A simple repair will fix it. Let's see how it works. First, go to the Repair Operating System field. Click Deep Repair. Then, Fix Now. Here click Download to get the latest firmware. Now you can start the repair. It'll take a while, and the device will restart. All you need to do is keep it connected and wait for the progress bar to complete. Well done! Now wait for the device to finish the boot out. That is it. Thanks for watching. To download, check out the link in the description below. For more iOS 13 tips, subscribe to the TenorShare channel. Go to tenorshare.com or click another video to keep watching now.